We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey everyone, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we are going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and we are working with the Canon G7020. So first we're going to take out your paper tray, and if you're putting in new paper, you want to make sure you take out all the paper that's in it, and then put your new paper with it, fan it all out so there's nothing sticking together, and you put it back in here. You want to make sure your blue sizers are at the correct size of your paper, and then make sure it's not overfilling the max level indicator. Just set that back in there and you should be good to go. If you need supplies or a quote, give us a call. You have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.